Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 8.8.8 and we are going to turn quotas on. So to prevent users from using too much disk space, you have implemented hard and soft quotas on the root directory. Today you notice that the quotas are turned off. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to re-enable quotas for users and groups on the root directory. All right, so I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. Let us go ahead and start lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. So while waiting, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed video guidance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. So we're still waiting for the lab to load. All right, the lab is loaded. Let's go ahead and open terminal. And then we are going to type in, Quotas space / let's see, enter. Okay, let's see, are we missing something? Let's go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership. Share so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.